Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Studio. I'm here with a flip through of my mini file folder folio with an angel theme. And let me just hold the cover up just a little bit closer. You can see that I have this really pretty gem here and some lace and some tulle. And the song sheet that says, "Hark the Herald Angels Sing." And there's a little charm over here of an angel wing, I'm imagining. And I'm going to list down below where my digitals come from, just in case you're curious. And this cute, cute, cute little angel blowing on the trumpet. So it is held together or closed by a sari silk that's been crinkled up a little bit. And so we'll get started here on the first part of it. So it flips out this way. And I have a label here that I thought would look really nice on this page, but you can place this label where you would like to put it. Here on the left are some journaling cards, some simple journaling cards, a little vintage button with some lace on top of there. And that fits inside this little pocket with cute, cute little angel there. So sweet, so sweet. I guess I'll just get rid of that there. And so here is the journaling portion of it. I have forgot to count the pages, but I am thinking it's around the 40-page range. So I will list that on my Etsy description. But that's what that is. It's not embellished, but it's got plenty of places for writing in your own memorabilia, and it has stitched into the journal. And I have placed some cloth over the spine of it to reinforce that. Over here is a little flip out, little pocket flip out, and it has a couple of journaling cards back here with a little tuck spot. And down here is another pocket with a sweet little angel there that fits inside this pocket, and a little tiny mini envelope, a glassine envelope with a teeny tiny little journaling card there. That's so cute. So I'll just put that like that. Now there's plenty of room inside this pocket for you to store your own memorabilia, things you want to put in there. There's room for it. It's now flips out this way. And here is an upper tuck spot with a couple of more journaling cards. And this really pretty little piece of vintage, no, this is not vintage, this is new lace. But it has, and also has a little green brad there. It sparkles. So that is there. And then there's a journaling place on this flip, and over here. Here is another little sweet angel with "All Hearts Come Home for Christmas," a glassine bag flip over with a journaling card on this side. It's so sweet. Isn't that cute? That's so cute. And then here's a belly band with a couple more journaling opportunities for you, and with a little bit of lace and a little tiny domino of an angel there. So that is the very back, and then we flip out again, and in here we have another photo there with a little bit of vintage lace embellishment. Inside here are two more cards, and here's some cards, some journaling cards, and a tag for you. And I have a label here. I've not glued these in because I'm going to let the recipient decide where they want to place these labels, but I have one here that says "Believe in the Miracle." I thought it would be nice down here. This has got, that pocket has a whole bunch of angels artwork on there. And this flips over, and inside this pocket is a little journal opportunity, another card, inside or down here is a little domino with some tulle. Another photo there with some lace, vintage lace, and inside this pocket then is another booklet, a smaller booklet. Quite a few pages in here for more journaling opportunities. And so it closes back up and it wraps around with the tie. And that is the Little Angel folio. So much fun to work with. I really enjoyed working with it. And this will be available in my shop. Next up, I am definitely going to be doing the grungy journal and Christmas journal, so that one will be the next video finally. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you later. Bye.